Hello YouTube. I just started a YouTube channel and I like to help people with their pools. So I'm making reviews on some things. First thing today is I'm going to make a review on my pool cleaner. And it's the most commonly used, none other than the PoolVac XL. Now what most pool owners have on these days, they actually have something called a navigator. And that's my old pool cleaner. That is a very, very common pool cleaner from Hayward. I mean, I see a lot of those in a lot of pools, and so that's very common cleaner. So anyway, my XL has upgrades on it that I'd like to show you. There are these new parts out. They're called sweep fins. They kind of make the XL look like a shark. A standard white flaps would be what it usually comes with. The standard white wings, I'll show you that. But these sweep fins are actually something, a little bit of a different story. So I'll show you what it standard comes with. It comes with these standard white fins, like this on the sides of it. But I replaced mine with these little fins. They make it look a little strange looking. They make it a little strange because of the way they're shaped. They don't really match all colors of pool cleaners. They usually just match, to me they match my XL because they're gray. So it doesn't really match a Navigator, one of those old Navigators or a PoolVac Ultra. But anyway, I'm sure that this company could possibly, I don't know if they have it in different colors or not, but they could possibly do that, and it could be true. But anyway, I picked the gray ones if there's any other colors out. So I have gray ones. So they're these fins, and they have brushes under them. I'm going to pull the cleaner out and show you, so just watch part 2 of my video.